Hello, welcome to the 8th and final lesson in the Statistics second part of the Year 11 Standard Maths course. So today we are addressing the last dot point on the front of the booklet, the one that we haven't done, which is statistics in the media. So we've covered all the theory about how you analyse data. Now we're having a look at a real-world example and just going through some exercises to kind of try and understand what kind of statistics could come up in the media and how could we maybe be a little bit cynical about them, maybe pick them apart a little bit and see what we're going through. So at the bottom of the slide, there is a link to an ABC News article. The ABC News article comes from a series that they call Fact Check, where they take something that someone has said in the media and basically sort of run it through a test. Is it a good claim or is it not? So the one that we're looking at is about an opinion piece that a person from Coca-Cola wrote, saying that basically sugar has decreased in its consumption, so of soft drinks, and obesity is on the rise. So what she's kind of saying then is, well, sugar clearly is not the problem. Sugar is not the thing that is contributing to obesity, so the government shouldn't worry about a sugar tax. They shouldn't do that. So what we should be thinking, of course, is, well, is there any incentive from someone from Coca-Cola to say, oh, sugar, soft drink, no, it's not a problem. We don't need to worry about that. Because, of course, if a tax is put on sugary drinks and the price goes up, more people are going to give up those soft drinks. Less people are going to buy it, which means less money for Coca-Cola. And, of course, they're going to be a little bit unhappy about that. So the ABC's opinion, and this is the ABC's opinion, not mine, before I get sued by Coca-Cola, is that what she said is spin. The statistics that she's got are true and accurate, but she's presenting them in a misleading way so that one idea comes across when actually the reality is a little bit different. So the ABC then talked to some scientists, to some experts in sort of obesity, and they come up with a couple of scenarios as to, well, what could be happening here? What's going on? The first scenario is that, yes, the average sugar consumption has gone down, and our exercise will look at sugar consumption in soft drinks. But if the it all depends about who's giving up sugar. There's a chance that some people could be giving up sugar, some people could be getting more sugar, and that overall it might go down. But for the people who are drinking more, that is causing the rise in obesity, and the overall drop is masking what specifically is happening to some people. The other option is sort of examining the idea that it's about soft drinks. Soft drinks, a Coca-Cola's definition, don't basically only include carbonated fizzy drinks. They don't include other sweetened drinks, things like Powerade. A lot of sugar in that, but it's not carbonated, so it's not technically a soft drink. So there are a couple of exercises you will go through. One is with a table of values of people, and we're going to come up with 10 people. They're not real, so we can't analyze the whole data set, but it's just going to show you mathematically how could what I'm talking about happen. Could we come up with some numbers that actually justify this and see it happening? So we'll consider 10 people. We'll consider their soft drink consumption at the start of some period of time, the end of some period of time, doesn't matter exactly how long it is, or doesn't need real dates, and then their body mass index at the start, and then compare it to the end. Body mass index is what we will look at as the measure of obesity. It is the most recognized one. There are things about muscly people having high BMIs but not really being unhealthy, but for the moment we'll kind of gloss over that. We'll assume these people are not all bodybuilders. On the slide after that, there are questions that lead you through what I'm asking you to do. So by following those questions, you should find it quite easy to come across what I'm saying. And then finally, there is a scatter graph plot with some BMI and just comparing soft drinks to sugared drinks. So just to see that one, the link could be masked, and two, you need to be careful about what people's definitions are when looking at the media. So And that's pretty much it. Not too much you actually need to learn or do in preparation. I would say just have a look at those slides and make sure that when you come to the class, if you've got any immediate questions, you're not sure how you're going to be answering those in class, then let your teacher know at the start. They'll be able to help you, and it'll be quite easy from there. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the second part of statistics in year 11. As I said, this is the last lecture. Once you've done that, there is a suggestion at the back of the book for other things you could be doing to make sure you've caught up. There are also some additional questions on the slides in the workbook that you may not have covered in class and haven't been covered on these lectures. You could perhaps have a go at those in the last lesson as well and check you understand those. Thanks very much.